for both teams. And it's the Mavericks to start out. Left side Hardaway. Here's Powell. To the middle. Washington connects on the open J. On defense, the Mavericks. Outside Conley. There's the triple. Rebounded by Hardaway. Right side, Irving. The shot is off. Tipped away. He lobs up the alley-oop pass. First quarter of play, 1 minute played. Now here's Conley. Pass to Conley. 6 to shoot. Unloads. It's rebounded by Dallas. Powell inside. Outside Irving. And so just over a minute and a half played. And he uses the glass on the layup.
He's one of the best in the league at that. Even with just a tiny sliver, he always seems to find a way to get it up and in.
Pass to Conley. Beyond the arc. The Timberwolves again can't hit. Zero. And here we go.
Yeah.
Zero. Pass to Conley to end the run. And the shot is good.
And also, he's absolutely able to do some incredible things in the air. I mean, he can look like a gymnast sometimes, twisting his body, double clutching his shot. But he maintains a smooth approach to it all.
And the Mavericks making a change here. Now about 3 minutes gone in the first quarter. The Mavericks leading. Outside Irving. Covered by Conley. Here's Irving. Doncic. Drops in the tray.
So far, so good for them at the offensive end here in the early going.
Conley with it. And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Towns. Trying to bank it in, but he misses.
Awesome defense. I mean, he'll hit those unless you're right in his grill.
Here's Irving. Warren. From deep three-point range, he got it up that time, but it wouldn't fall for him. And so the first quarter is in the... And the first quarter is in the books. Second about ready to get underway. And before we move on, what do you guys think about what we've seen so far from the Mavericks? To the inside. Towns. It's blocked. They get it back, and he gets it to go. Now Hardaway. Outside Irving. Banked in off the glass. He has 6.
Pretty much all of their buckets coming from inside the paint now.
The Timberwolves trail. 0. Outside Conley. Shot clock at 5. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. Quarter number 2. We're about a minute in. And a miss there off the inbound.
Most of the time, that shot will go down. Boy, the defenders have to make sure they tag it.
Irving up top. No good from Irving.
The defense better not make a habit of giving him that shot. I mean, he doesn't miss many of them.
0. And another 3 for Minnesota.
That is not enough coverage. Got to do better than that defensively. Basically, no coverage. I mean, defense did not look very good there.
Outside Irving. Doncic. And right away, they match it with a three-pointer of their own. He has 6. 0. Washington. And that one is hammered home. Minnesota calls timeout. And the Timberwolves making a change here. And we're about 2 minutes into the second quarter here. Here's Conley. Here's Gobert. And, there's a whistle. He was going up for a layup. And while it looked like there was some contact, I wasn't sure they were going to call a foul shot or not. But sure enough, they have. So we've got a couple of free throws coming up. And he'll be shooting his first free throw of the game here.
That's something they need to do more of. Get after it on the glass. Go get those boards.
Shooting 1.
And here is Conley. Knocked away. Shot clock at 6. The dive for the ball. Out of bounds, Timberwolves ball as Minnesota keeps possession. The Timberwolves making a switch here. Clock is at 3. 0. And it's going to be a 24-second shot clock violation. They turn it over. The Timberwolves making a switch here. So it's the Mavericks now. They lead by 11, the largest margin of the game. Doncic. Doncic. And he drops in the layup off the glass. 11 points in the game.
Those defenders look like they're out of gas. I mean, they're getting pushed around on the low block.
Here's Gobert. Here's Gobert. Five on the clock. 0. 0. And he hits it just before the shot clock expires.
In the first, he had trouble hitting with any consistency. But here in the second, he's turned it around.
Doncic. Doncic. And it's good. Fought through contact. Hits the shot. He'll go to the free throw line.
Boy, I tell you what, nice little run here they're going on.
And the Mavericks making a change here. 6 seconds separate the shot and game clocks.
Well, they've only got a slight edge in rebounding when you look at the numbers, but it certainly feels a lot bigger than it is.
Backing in. Pass to Irving. Ball stolen. Here's Gobert with 1 on the clock. And that does it for the first half of play. Mavericks ahead